Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to show you how to make an inference. When you make an inference or infer something, you are taking clues that you're given, plus what you already know, and making a smart guess. For example, we're going to infer this girl's favorite animal. She's saying, "My favorite animal has soft fur and a long tail. It purrs when it's happy, and it sits on my lap." Can you infer what her favorite animal is? Let's think about the clues. The clues are, it has soft fur, a long tail, it purrs when it's happy, and it sits in her lap. What do I already know? I already know that cats have fur, and I know that they purr too. I have a cat and it's small. It sits on my lap. So I can infer that her favorite animal is a cat. Sometimes the clues will be just given to you and fairly obvious, like in the example we just did about the cat. But other times, you're going to really have to look for the clues. You're going to have to pay attention to things like people's facial expressions, their tone of voice, and the things around them to help you make the smartest guess. Let's try another one together. This is my son, Deacon. He wants to go somewhere, but he isn't just coming out and telling me where he wants to go. I need to infer where he wants to go based on the clues. Let's watch.
Mom, can we please go? I'm so hot. I have my swimsuit and my goggles. Can we please go?
Can you infer where Deacon wants to go? Let's think about the clues he gave us. We know that he's hot. We know that he has his bathing suit on. He has a towel, goggles, and a float. Well, we know already that if we're going to go swimming, we wear a bathing suit. And we're going to need a towel to dry off. I'm going to infer that Deacon is going to the pool.
That's right. Deacon wanted to go to the pool.
Now you're going to watch another video of Deacon. I want you to see if you can make an inference without my help. In this video, Deacon wants to do something. I want you to listen to the clues and use what you already know to infer what Deacon wants to do.
Guess what? No more training wheels. I can't wait to ride. Let's go, let's go.
What do you think Deacon wanted to do?
That's right. Deacon wanted to ride his bike.
As you can see, you make inferences all the time when interacting with other people. You can infer how they're feeling or what they want, even when they don't directly tell you. You also have to make inferences about stories that you read. This is sometimes called reading between the lines because you're not directly given the information in the text. You have to find clues in your story to draw conclusions and make smart guesses. Let's read part of a story together and then answer some inferential questions about it. Ryan got out of bed and stumbled downstairs in his pajamas. He sat at the kitchen table and his mom put a bowl of Cocoa Crunchy cereal in front of him. Ryan rubbed his eyes and slowly started to eat. "You better hurry up," said his mom. "You don't want to miss the bus." What time of day was it when the story took place? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Let's think. He was in his pajamas and he just got out of bed. That kind of makes me feel like it was morning. He was also eating cereal, and I already know that cereal is a breakfast food. So I can infer that this story took place in the morning. That's right. Where is Ryan going to go after breakfast? To the dentist, to school, or to the park? Let's think about our clues. We already inferred that it's morning. And Ryan's mom said, "You don't want to miss the bus." Where do buses take kids in the morning? I know buses take kids to school, so I can infer that Ryan is going to school. Great job! I'm proud of you for using the clues plus what you already know to make an inference or a smart guess. If you feel like you need a little extra practice with this, you can just play this video again. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day! To the parents, teachers, and SLPs watching this video, I wrote a workbook called I Can Make Inferences. This is an awesome workbook. It's over 50 pages of activities, starting out pretty simple and gradually getting more difficult. These are great for practicing inferences in the classroom or at home. You can download this workbook at peachiespeechie.com. You can also get a lot of great sweatshirts, t-shirts, mugs, all kinds of cool stuff for SLPs at peachiespeechie.com. Also, we have a bunch of workbooks in this series, so if you're working on other language skills, be sure to check these out.